Route 1. How to understand spiral roundabouts. A183 Chester Road, A19 North. Climbing up the bank towards the A183. When we get to the roundabout, we're going to turn left. Check your mirrors. Indicate left. Look to your right. Look at traffic approaching from the right hand side. When your gap appears, we'll make progress. It's still a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit on this section of the road. This is the A183, the Chester Road. Approaching the roundabout at the Hastings Hill pub, we're going to cross the roundabout, taking the second exit, heading towards the A19. Check your mirrors, look over to the right. We're anticipating when there's going to be a gap when we can emerge onto the roundabout. Gap appears, look left, indicate left. Start to climb the bank, change in speed limit to national speed limit. At the roundabout, we're going to turn right, third exit towards the Tyne Tunnel. The 2 lanes become 3. Check your right mirror, indicate and move into the middle lane. A19 North. Given the choice, left is best. The left and right lane, you can go A19 North, left is best. Continue indicating right. Making progress, remaining in the middle lane. Waiting for the lights to change. The second exit is in front of us. The aim is to get into the left hand lane immediately after the second exit. Indicate left. Still be aware of the vehicles on your right hand side, staying in the left hand lane. Once the lights change, we'll make progress down the acceleration lane to join the A19. Making progress, increasing speed. You can either merge to the right to join the A19 or stay in the left hand lane to head towards the A1231.